Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing what you need, because a smooth connection prevents troubleshooting later. First, power the keyboard. Use bus power for USB or plug the adapter in when required, since some models need external power. Next, install any manufacturer drivers on your computer to enable full functionality, especially on Windows. Finally, pick your connection: direct USB for simplicity, or Midi DIN with an interface if you need hardware routing. Once done, plug cables in firmly and move to device recognition. Now configure your software so the keyboard controls virtual instruments. Open your DAW's Midi preferences and enable the keyboard as an input device. Enable output only if you need keyboard control messages returned. Make sure the Midi channel matches the instrument. Choose all channels for simple setups or channel 1 to target a single synth. Add a software instrument track, load a patch, and check the DAW's Midi activity meter. If you see signal, you're sending notes. If not, recheck cabling and driver status. Finish by testing controls and saving your setup, because consistent mapping saves time in future sessions. Play across the keyboard to confirm velocity response, toggle sustain and octave buttons, and map knobs or pads with Midi Learn so parameters follow your gestures. Save a DAW template or controller map to recall layout instantly. If nothing responds, don't panic. Cycle power, unplug and replug the cable, confirm the OS shows the device, and reinstall drivers if necessary. This resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.